Hey travelers! Today I'm trying something I've never done before. Pixie dusting on Disney Cruise Line. Maybe you've heard about fish extenders, cruising ducks, and pixie dusting and wondered, what the heck is this secret code even talking about? Well, I've got you. Pixie dusting is basically a random act of kindness where guests leave little surprises like stickers, keychains, or sweet treats in the fish extender bags or clips outside other passengers' stateroom doors. It's not an official Disney program, it's just something the community does to spread a little extra magic. Step 1. When you book your cruise, you can often find Facebook groups for your specific ship and sailing date. Once you join it and start to make friends with your fellow cruisers, the admins will probably organize a fish extender group for those who wish to participate. Here's some footage from Thanksgiving 2024 on the Wish to show you what a fish hook is. It's that thing, the little decorative peg next to your door. Some guests hang pouches with pockets from these doors called fish extenders. You can find lots of options on Etsy. If you join a group, you'll get a list of assigned staterooms to drop off goodies for, and they will drop off gifts at your room too. Now, if all of this sounds stressful and overly complicated, I agree, which is why I opted to try pixie dusting. You aren't on any official list. You just give your treats to anyone you like, and sometimes by handing it to a fellow guest, or sometimes by leaving it at their door. You got pixie dusted. Let me see. So excited.
I got pixie dusted.
Yeah. You got pixie dusted? She gave you pirate treasure? A girl just came over and told Nora, I like your princess costume. And then she gave her some pirate treasure. We love stateroom door decorations, and these are ours from our Thanksgiving sailings. Most decorations are magnetic, and you're not allowed to use tape because it could damage the paint. We have never done any kind of real pixie dusting or fish extenders on Disney cruises, but today we brought a bag of goodies and we're going to go hand them out. It's some of the staterooms that we found in our Facebook group or have just seen around the ship if we like their door decorations. Let's go have fun.
Yeah.
This one's a honeymoon room, so why don't you leave that up top in their fish extender? I like their note board.
It is hard.
Who would you choose to protect, the Queen of Hearts or Tafiti?
Tafiti.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you leave them a...
Oh my god.
Asher has a Thanksgiving duck for them. Woo! Look at how cute the wreath on the door is.
I love.
You found a door you like?
Yeah.
Hold on. Did you get the magnet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, this door is cool.
Yeah. We're not going to take any lollipops, but do you want a glow stick or a sticker?
A glow stick.
And then what should we leave?
What
is it?
Is a portable straw.
Oh, that's amazing. That's actually really good.
Thing other than the door things.
You've done a really good job, Nora.
Oh.
Good job. We hope you'll check out some of the other incredible things we did on the Destiny in these videos here. Now head out and surprise those in your life with a little magic today, okay? And we'll see you next time, travelers.